I've always been one to take advantage of any no makeup situation. Last year we did a tutorial that you guys became obsessed with, the no makeup look. Well, since then, I've discovered a few new products to just up the ante. It's all about prepping your face and getting the right products. Okay, so this makeup tutorial, the no makeup is so me. This is what I probably live by and wear the most. I love these products. I'm always on the hunt for new products. Okay, so this first product is from Ole Henriksen. It's called the Banana Bright Face Primer. Sound familiar? This was our under eye in the orange little pot that really brightens the under eye. So now they've just come out with the primer. This product is amazing. It's got vitamin C, it's got banana, peptides. It's so good, it's brightening. And what I love about it, I'm gonna put it on now, but then you can also put it on once you've got all your makeup on, just as a little highlighter, and it actually sets it. But I'm telling you, this is a great brightening primer when you truly want that glow without having too much highlight and shimmer. And you can see it's kind of like a yellowish, like kind of that banana. It's all based on that banana powder, that brightening powder. And I'm using a brush from Zoeva. It's 110 Face Shape. And again, I'm just gonna put it on some of the areas. I really do my T-zone because I get extra oily there. But again, it's all about brightening. I think you guys are actually going to love this primer. Ole Henriksen Banana Bright Face Primer, vitamin C, banana, think bright. Uses a primer, goes over with a highlight once you have all your makeup on, which not a lot of primers do, which I love. And I'm obsessed with it. So the next one is called NARS Sheer Glow Foundation. And really the name says it's all. This is buildable, this is hydrating, goes on light so you can build it up if you need to reapply it through the day. It's not cakey at all, but it really does have great coverage. Again, we're gonna be using this brush, do a couple. And see, I love it. It's not too pink. It's definitely got a lot of olive. It got a lot of olive undertones, and it's really good for coverage. Remember, get underneath your jawline, go all the way down. And I really like this one, especially for the no makeup look. Again, because it's buildable, because it's light, because it's hydrating. Then it's something that you see you have foundation in its cover, but it's like, wait, are you wearing makeup? And I think that's really the whole point of this whole look. Again, I'm gonna go all the way under my eye, even though I'm gonna use concealer. Okay, so my next one is Becca Under Eye Brightening Corrector. So my makeup artist Jamila found this product. It's awesome. It instantly brightens. It's really easy to use. I'm gonna show you, first time is like, we're just opening it up. I have it separate, but we're gonna show it's like a little bit pinky, and a little bit goes a long way. So you take your fingertip, which I love because it's easy to use and very easy to control, and you're just gonna dot. And again, this is kind of dewy, kind of glossy, but it covers. Okay, can you guys see a difference? I only have primer, foundation, and a little bit of the under eye concealer. And this is Becca, and it is under eye brightening corrector, and this one is light to medium. Light to medium. Okay, so next we're gonna do, it's basically the name says it's all. It's called Flawless Fusion Ultra Longwear Concealer. So I'm gonna go over this, and this is by Laura Mercier. So we used this and this. So we're kind of double concealing, but we're doing it really, really light. And what I love about this, no crinkles, no wrinkles, no lines. It goes on really, really flawless, just like its name. Goes on really light. So we're just gonna get in there. And I'm really trying to show you guys how to do it so you don't need a makeup artist, you don't feel like you need a makeup artist. You need hands, you need some. We actually did a great video on what brushes to use, but so you guys can really get in there. So we're not gonna set anything now, which is really important to know. To keep it fresh and dewy, we're gonna do it at the end, and we're gonna use very little powder. So it's okay to shine, it's okay to be dewy. That's the look we're going for. So next we're gonna focus on the eyes. I'm using this brown pencil from MAC. It's Teddy Eye Kohl, and this is a great kind of hero product. Teddy's such a good color. I'm just gonna go in just to make the lashes look a little bit more full and a little bit more kind of sexy, but you're never gonna see a line. I'm not gonna smudge it. I'm barely gonna put any. It just fills the lashes in and it looks just a little more fuller, but it does have quite a great effect. So this is Teddy by MAC. And again, I'm gonna kind of pull just a little bit and very gently, I'm just gonna fill that in. You're not even really gonna see it. So we're gonna smudge it actually with a lip brush. That's how little we're gonna use of it, but I love this little brush. This is to open up the eye. This is Makeup Forever Aqua Eyes. I don't think you can get it anymore, but so many brands have a similar color. I just still love this, so I wanted to use it. It's great. It really opens up the eye and gives that effect of being bigger. And again, do not go too white. So this next product is from Charlotte Tilbury. It's an eye cream. It's Eyes to Mesmerize is the line. And this color is called Jean, and it's so freaking beautiful. Look at that color. How awesome is that? Gonna take just fingertip. Again, a little goes a long way. It's kind of fluffy feeling. And again, I purposely did not put any foundation, any concealer over my eye base. For that reason, just to still keep that natural look. So I'm just gonna place it on the center of the lid, on the lower lid. And it really gives it that dewy, glowy, beautiful look. It's kind of a shimmer, but not really. It can be through day, it can be through night, and I love it. But again, keep it on the very base. Next, I want to do, actually I'm gonna do a little bit of a mascara. This is the Voluminous Carbon Black. I do one coat, very, very, very lightly. I love this. This is an oldie but a goodie, and it works. So again, I'm just gonna do a little bit, almost like I'm fluffing them. Okay, so next I'm gonna do a little bit of cream blush. This is from Stila. This is an oldie but a goodie, but again, it goes perfectly with this look. This is from the Convertible Color, the Dual Lip and Cheek Cream. What I love about this is exactly that. You can use it on your cheeks, you can use it on your lips, and I've actually been known, which I'm gonna show you a little trick, to use it on my eye, just in the crease, just a little bit. So this one is called Peony, and it looks like this. So watch how I sweep it all the way up and all the way over the nose. So there's no harsh lines. And it really does give that sun-kissed look. I'm gonna do a little bit on the lips. And I call this my base. And then on the same product, I'm just gonna put in the creases. Next, I'm going to do a little bit of the Hourglass. I use this every day of my life. It's the ambient one, and I love this brush. It's Tom Ford. It's the Big Daddy, but I use it a lot. And I sweep a couple times. And then I go to the bottom, I go to a little bit on top. Temples. It's so good, so good. Before I do a couple of the last things, I am obsessed with this product. It's a little bit hard to use. It's Patrick Ta, it's for face, and it's called Major Glow. This color is called We Need Her in Gold Pearl. And I spray it on my hand, or you can also spray directly on the face if you absolutely know what you're doing. But for now, I'm just gonna spray it on my thing and go quickly, and I'm just gonna pat. Now that is major. Patrick Ta, it's so awesome. The whole line is incredible. So one little brow thing we're gonna use, this is called Sketch Brow from Sienna. And just naturally, no harsh lines. Got a little hole right there, I see. I used to be so bad at brows. I think brows have come so far to make it literally foolproof. Like, I love so many of the products. This is an awesome one, Sienna Sketch Brow in Ash Brown. It's just so easy to use. And I'm also gonna brush them up. And I'm into thicker brows right now. Next, I'm gonna do a little bit of this amazing, awesome new Charlotte Tilbury product I just found, and it's called Airbrush Flawless Finish. So a little goes a long way, it's not heavy. Then I'm gonna go back just a little bit, just on these two colors right here. So now we have the Stila, we have the Peony just as the base on of, for my lips. I'm gonna go in with Patrick Ta, again from his major line. And this one is called Only an Influencer. Such a good name. He has great names. It's kind of a pinky, peachy, bronzy, like a perfect nude color. It's kind of color, no color to go with our makeup, no makeup. I mean, how pretty is that? I just found this new color combo. So it's this on the base and the Patrick Ta on top of it. And it's just like a really beautiful color. Okay, so I love this new product. This is a new one. It's from Becca. It's called Skin Love. And this is a Glow Shield Prime and Set Mist. And it's infused with Glowing Nectar Brightening Hydra Complex. So this is even more brightening on top of our glow. So again, a little trick that Nikki taught me is always spray down so it doesn't get all blobby. And voila, that's it. So this is our new updated no makeup makeup. I'm always on the hunt, as you know, for new products. I love a glow. We're starting summer. And this is such an easy look, and you guys can do it at home. You don't need professional people. It helps if you can have them. I learned so much from all my girls and guys who make me look awesome when I'm not. But you guys can really do this. I love all these new products. We're gonna list them below just so you can get the exact ones that I'm using. And also some, you know, you might be a little lighter, you might be a little darker, but again, play, have fun. You can take 2 or 3 of these products in your purse, in your beach bag, but they really do give like a nice, natural, no makeup kind of look. Next week, you guys, I have a very, very hard workout. I have Shannon from Hot Pilates. Yes, follow her on Instagram. She came to my house. I'm so lucky, you guys. Make sure subscribe to the channel so you don't miss it.